Hi everyone, welcome to Solved Pages YouTube channel. Today we're gonna see how to check the SQL services are up and running even though we don't have a SQL Server Management Studio. Sometimes we cannot find SQL Server Management Studio in the server. Still we can check the services and still we can check the login that we are having is working fine or not. So for that you have to create a file. Let me delete this one first. So you have to create a file. Save this and just giving the name connect. The extension should be UDL, not TXT. Okay, just open it. So if you remember the instance name, you can just type here, or else you can select from the drop down. I have only one instance, that is a default one. If you remember the machine name, you can just directly type the machine name, because the default instance will take your machine name. So this is my machine name. If you want to know your machine name, then you can go to the command prompt and just type host name. That will show you the machine name. So the default instance take your machine name as a instance name. Okay, I'm just testing the connection. There is an error, so we have to select the Windows authentication and just test the connection. If you want to validate the username or a login name that you have, then check with the username. Test1 is my login name. We can check here. See, you can also see the list of the databases. If you select the Windows authentication, you can see all the databases. See, four system databases and the two user databases. If you select any other login, you can only see just one user database, because I have for this test one login, I have only the access for test database only. Let me show you this. For this test one SQL login, I have the access only on the test database. That's why you can see only the test databases, not other databases. So whatever the databases you have the access, that database only you can see, not other databases. Let me stop the SQL services and then we'll try. How it will react. I'm just stopping the SQL services. That's it. So let me try now. See here, this error you'll be getting. If your services are not running, then you'll get this error. Let me start this again. Let me check now. See, it's working now. So in this way, you can check the SQL services are up and running or not. Like we can validate login as well, if the login is working or not. Like, thanks for watching.